In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Binance app. We're going to do this directly from your PC's web browser by installing the site as an app, so it opens in its own clean window and feels like a desktop program. It's quick, simple, and a great way to keep trading or checking prices without the clutter of extra browser tabs. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC. A modern, up-to-date browser works best here, and having the latest version ensures you'll see the exact options we're using. Once your browser is open, head to the official Binance website. Take a moment to double-check that you're on the legitimate site by looking for the lock icon in the address bar and making sure the address is correct. This small check helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. With the site loaded, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu where you'll find extra tools and settings. Click it to open the drop-down. Inside that menu, move your mouse over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Hovering here expands a set of options related to saving and sharing the current page. In that expanded area, click Install as App. This option tells your browser to create an app-like version of the site, also known as a progressive web app. It runs in its own window, without the standard address bar and tabs, so it feels more focused and launches like a regular application. A small confirmation box will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Install to proceed. There's nothing extra to configure here, just confirm and let the browser handle the setup. Now wait for the installation to finish. It usually only takes a few seconds. When it's done, the Binance app window will open automatically, and you'll notice it looks cleaner and more dedicated than a normal tab. Depending on your system and browser settings, a shortcut may also be added to your desktop or start menu, making it easy to launch next time, just like any other app. If you don't immediately see the Install as App option, make sure the page is fully loaded, refresh once, or confirm you're on the main site. Some browsers might show a slightly different label, but the idea is the same. With that, you've successfully installed Binance as an app on your PC, giving you faster access and a smoother, more focused experience every time you open it.